Very good. Is that all of it? All of it. All right. You can touch it, sure. Just touch a little bit. What does it feel like? It feels like powder. Yeah. Chocolate brownie mix. See? You want to squish this one? You can squish it. It's kind of like sand. Powder. That neato? You can use this spoon and you can chop it up. Yeah. So, what do we need to do next? Let's put some water. You want to dump this one inside? You pour it. Pour it. That's good. We're going to put some oil. We're going to open this one, Logan. We're going to put this in here. You want to help me pour this one? Here, help me pour it. Help me pour it. Pour this one. Pour it. Please. Help me pour it. There you go. Thank you. Let me pour that in there. You're going to mix it? Mix it up. Should we crack 2 eggs? You want to crack it? You can crack it. Here. Use your hands. Very good. Did you crack it? Yes, you did. Nice crack. All right. What about the other one? Can you crack the other egg? Here. Crack that egg. Let's see it. A little bit more. Oh no, you got it. You got it. You got it. Very good. Good job. Oops. You need to clean up, Logan. It's okay. I know. Let me clean up. Hold on. Here. Yeah. Did I get it on you? Put it on your arm? Did I get it? Where? Where? Over here? Oh, I see. Sorry about that. All right. Okay. You gonna mix it? Mix it. And you can help me spray a little bit. We're gonna spray this in here. You wanna help me spray it? Mm-hmm. That's right. Very good. Turn it, keep going. Very good. Great job. Hold on, sorry. Yeah. Just gonna get a little bit more so it doesn't stick. So the brownie doesn't get stuck to the pan. Now you can mix it. Stir it, stir it, stir it up. Mm-hmm. Very good. Very good. Great job. Okay. Now you can go like this too. Let me show you. Start like this, round and around. See that egg? Get it with your spoon. Chop them up. There you go. Now stir it round and around, round and around. You go round and around. Let me grab a spoon and we'll do it together. There you go. Great. Here, I'll do it with you. Like this. We'll do it, Mommy. Round and around. Round and around. Let's get this little egg. Round and around. Round and around. Yeah. You're doing it. You're doing it, Logan. Such a good job, see? The powder is turning into brownie mix. Very good. And keep going round and around. Round and around. Almost finished, and we're going to dump it in the pan. Okay. You ready to pour it? Okay. Let's get all this stuff off. Make sure it's nice and mixed up. Nice and mixed up well. Here, you do this one. Okay. Oops. Let's do a little bit more. Onto your spoon. Okay, you want to pour it in here? We can do it together. Take your spoon, pour it in there. Yeah. Yep. Dump it. It's okay. A little bit on your finger?
Yeah, this finger.
That's okay. We'll clean it up.
Yeah.
A little bit on your finger.
Mom!
Yes. Oh. Here. You want to try to lick it? You want to see if you like it? Put it in your mouth. Eat it. He's like, oh, it's on your shirt. Oh. What did you think, Logan? Was it good? Yeah, we'll clean it. You want me to clean it?
No.
No? Good job. Okay, now we can put it in the oven.